Hello everybody. Good morning to all. So today we are going to discuss about the details of deleted chapters. So by considering the risk of teachers and students regarding this online class, CBSE reduced the syllabus of biology for this year. 30% of biology syllabus is completely reduced. So here I am going to give an idea about the chapters or the topics of biology, okay, for this year. So first chapter that we already completed, that is about the cell, the basic unit of life, prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, then cell organelles and unicellular and multicellular organisms, mitochondria, chloroplast, like all this kind of cell organelles that we completely studied. The second chapter that we just started, structure and functions of animal and plant tissues. 4 types of animal tissues we have discussed. Then meristematic tissues and permanent tissues in plants also. Okay. Then the third chapter, that is completely deleted. That is the diversity of plants and animals. Basic issues in scientific naming, everything. All the topics regarding this chapter, diversity of plants and animals, that is completely deleted from your syllabus, this year's syllabus. But after completing all the stressed chapters, I will give an idea about this chapter because it is very important for your higher studies. Okay. Then next chapter is about the health and its failure. Infectious and non-infectious diseases, their causes, then diseases caused by microorganisms, prevention method, principle of treatment and principle of prevention. All these are included in your syllabus, and it's a very simple chapter that we will discuss. Okay. The next chapter, that is about the plant and animal breeding and selection of quality improvement. So also one of the very simple chapter, but it is completely deleted. This chapter is also completely deleted from our syllabus. We don't want to study this chapter. Okay. The next is about the physical resources, air, water, soil, air for respiration, and also soil biogeochemical cycles, etc. A very simple chapter, and in all the years we are considering this chapter only for internal assessment. That means only for making seminar or assignment reports, presentation of seminar, then preparation of report, etc. that we are doing from this chapter, and as a part of internal assessment we are considering this chapter. Okay. Then, so these are the details regarding the biology topics for this year. Main chapters for this year. The next, practicals. 4 practicals are there, 4 main practicals are there. Out of the 4 main practicals, 2 of them are completely deleted. So the first one is preparation of stained temporary mounts of onion peel and human cheek cell to record the observations and draw their label diagrams. So we have to do this practical from our science lab. This practical is included in this year, not deleted. Okay, we have to study. Then second one, identification of parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma tissues in plants, striped, smooth and cardiac muscle fibers and nerve cells in animals from prepared slides. This also from the lab we have to observe the slides and we want to write the features and we want to draw the diagrams. That we will do. The next one is pictures or this features of earthworm, cockroach, bony fish, etc. All this regarding the animals and plants, that is completely deleted. Okay, all this, and study of external feature of fruit, stem, leaf and flower of monocot and dicot plant. This also deleted. So 2 practicals we have to study. The remaining 2 practicals, that is completely deleted. So I hope all of you got an idea about the syllabus of biology for this year. Okay, very simple. We can go very slowly, and if there is any doubts and others regarding the syllabus, you can contact me personally. Okay.